How to enable emergency exemption in TruckX Driver's Logbook app. Find and tap on the TruckX Driver's Logbook app on your device. Download the app if not already done. Once you are in the app, click on More. Click on Exemptions to enable any exemption. Click on Emergency Exemption Setup. Click on Setup to enable the emergency exemption. Enter the reason for activating the emergency exemption. This exemption can be activated when any national, regional, state, or local emergency is declared, and the driver must be providing direct assistance to emergency relief efforts. Once you enter the reason, click on Activate. You will see a dialog box. Tap on OK. Yay! The emergency exemption is now activated, and you will see the message Emergency Exemption active at the top. The same will be visible on the home page of the app as well, with the status showing off duty, as the status in this exemption remains off duty.